Hello guys, I'm back again, and guess what? I've got something for you, and that is, are you aware that you can generate passive income through operating a dropshipping business on Shopify? Dropshipping proves to be one of the most lucrative online businesses requiring minimal investment. By selling trending products on Shopify, you can kickstart your earnings and begin making money within a short span of time. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of researching products and establishing your Shopify store. Conducting thorough product research prior to launching your Shopify store is essential. Identifying a trending product with significant demand is paramount for success. TikTok serves as a fantastic avenue for product exploration, offering a plethora of new and trending items. Simply navigate to TikTok and access the search bar. Input Amazon finds and hit enter. A plethora of videos showcasing a diverse range of products awaits your exploration. You may observe the staggering number of views these videos have gained, with some reaching as high as 25 to 30 million views. This suggests a considerate level of interest in the showcased products, driving such high viewership. Let's delve into one of these videos being featured. Feel free to browse through the variety of promoted products, ranging from dog beds to smart trash cans, accessories, office supplies, gadgets, and more. Take your time exploring the videos and select a product you believe would capture people's interest. I stumbled upon a video showcasing the Infinity Pencil. After a bit of scrolling, feel free to click on their account to check out the views they've gained on their videos. They have posted numerous videos, many of which have accumulated thousands of views. This demonstrates a genuine interest in the product. By reviewing the comments on various videos, you will notice a strong desire from people to purchase it. The comments exclusively discuss the products, indicating their authenticity. Meanwhile, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell if you want to be the first person to get my videos when I upload them. In the realm of finance, this channel serves as a portal to tangible reality. Here, we delve into all aspects of finance and explore various methods for generating income. Today, in our era, there exists a plethora of authentic methods to generate a substantial online income. With minimal effort, one can establish a dependable source of income fully online. If you already have a comfortable job, you might want to explore additional income avenues through side hustles, much like the one I'll be discussing in this video. Without much to say, let's get started. To assess product quality, try searching its name both with and without a hashtag and observe video views. If views reach millions, it suggests a strong potential for generating significant traffic. Additionally, explore the product's primary niche, like pencils, noticing higher views compared to searches from specific product names such as Infinity Pencils, demonstrating the substantial traffic and potential within this niche. Here is a guide to uncovering a trending product. Following that, our task is to determine its availability, as occasionally we may identify a promising product only to find no supplier for it. To verify this, visit AliExpress and search for the item you are interested in. While you find the product's cost there, remember you're not bound to sell it at that price. You have the flexibility to set your own price, typically 2 to 3 times higher than the original cost, enabling you to generate a profit. Make sure that the supplier you select has favorable reviews and a significant volume of orders. Once you've decided on the product you wish to sell, I can guide you through the process of opening your Shopify dropshipping store. Proceed to Shopify's website and select Start Free Trial. Follow the prompts to enter your email and password for creating your account. Once completed, the process of setting up your Shopify shop will commence, and you will be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Select the theme for your store. Navigate to the online store section on the left and click on themes. Currently, your store has a default theme applied, but if you scroll down, you'll find several free themes available. I personally recommend the Sense theme, so I proceed to click on Add. Once you've installed the theme, click Publish twice to finalize the setup. Your theme is now ready to go. Next, import a product from AliExpress easily. Just head over to Deezes and click Try for free to get started. Provide an email address and password to set up your account. Afterwards, select Shopify as your platform. Proceed by clicking Install App to integrate it with your store. you'll be prompted to select a plan. Opt for the free basic plan, then click Get Started to connect your AliExpress account with Deezers. Access AliExpress, log into your account and download the Deezers Chrome extension. After installing the extension, simply click on its icon and select Deezers. This action will redirect you to the Deezers homepage. Proceed by clicking on the login option to activate your extension. It's time to upload the product you wish to sell in your store. Navigate to AliExpress and search for the Infinity Pencil. Once you locate your product, select it and click Add to Favorites. Return to your favorites and click Import List to access your selected product. Before adding this note, please make sure to edit it by clicking on the edit icon and navigating to the variant section. Delete any unnecessary variants and retain only those you wish to sell. Then save your changes. Next, click on Push to Store. Ensure the box next to Also Publish to Online Store is checked and then click Push to Store. Your product will then be added to your store. To verify, visit Shopify and click on Products on the left hand side. You should see the product displayed there. After adding your product to your store, there are a few adjustments that need your attention. Navigate to the product and review its title and description, which might mirror those from AliExpress. Simply select them and proceed to delete in order to boost the attractiveness of your product. You should generate a list of compelling brand names that will captivate attention. Visit Name Leaks and navigate to the search bar. Enter Best Pencils and explore the multitude of ideas it offers. My choice is Smart Pencils. Verify the domain's availability by visiting Namechecker and conducting a search. Once completed, return to the product page on your Shopify store. To craft an effective product description, explore your competitor strategies for inspiration. Begin by capturing a screenshot of your product. Utilize Google Search by Image feature to uncover multiple platforms offering comparable items. Visit several of these websites to gather insights and ideas for refining your product description. Utilize the description box to provide detailed instructions on how to use the product, its functionalities, and why it's exceptional. Incorporate relevant images showcasing the product. Additionally, if there are any videos available, utilize ESG to convert video clips to GIFs and integrate them into your description. In the product image section, you have the option to use high-quality images imported from AliExpress or search for them online. Remove all additional options except for color variants. Then proceed to add the variant. Click on each variant and choose the most suitable image for it. For pricing, I've entered $3 as the base price and set $5 for the compare price option to display a discounted price on the page. Please ensure this setup is applied to all other product variants as well. Additionally, revisit the search engine listing by clicking on Edit to adjust the URL. Delete the existing URL ending and replace it with Smart Pencils. Remember to save changes to preview the updated product page on your store. Next, navigate to the online store and select Customize to access your Shopify homepage. Click on the homepage option above and navigate to the product page. Next, select the mobile view as it's the preferred option for most users. This will display how your store appears on mobile devices. To make edits to the page, simply click and adjust settings from the right hand side. Select the top announcement bar and input the message exclusive offers 50% off plus free shipping this week only. Then incorporate a collapsible content section from the left, allowing you to tailor a drop-down menu to your preferences. To begin, select the initial drop-down option. Input FAQs as the heading in the designated section. Then opt for the question mark icon and proceed to paste the product FAQs into the content row. Repeat this process to modify other selections such as product information, instructions, shipping details, and return policy. Once done, click on the Save button located at the top right corner. To enhance your product page, it's time to incorporate reviews. Utilize OpenU to seamlessly import reviews from AliExpress to your store. Navigate back to your Shopify dashboard, access the app section, and search for OpenU. Simply click to add the app, then proceed to install it. You'll be prompted to choose between importing reviews or skipping the import process, which will then guide you through setting up the app. Up to import reviews. In the search field, input the name of the product you've included in your store. Select your product from the results to get the product URL. Return to AliExpress and copy the link from the product page you are selling. Specify the quantity of reviews you wish to import. Deselect the approved imported reviews to enable manual selection of the desired ones for addition to your product page. Proceed by clicking on the import button. Upon completion of import process, navigate to the reviews and Q&A section on the left. Select the publish icon for the reviews you wish to display on your page. Return to the application setup page. Keep all settings as default and scroll to the bottom. Proceed by clicking next. Choose the layout you desire for your product page, then click next again. This will direct you to the subscription page. Opt for the paid plan by selecting the starter plan if preferred. Proceed to establish a design for your product page. Navigate to theme settings and select colors. I recommend adjusting the page color to match that of the product for a cohesive appearance. I personally utilize a Chrome extension named ColorZilla to extract the color code directly from the product. Click on the page, navigate to the extension and select pick color from page. Next, click on the product and paste the obtained color code on the left. Update all other sections of the page by pasting the color code. Now let's create a logo for our store. Ensure that you establish several essential pages on your Shopify store. Upon scrolling to the bottom of your Shopify dashboard, include pages such as refund policy and terms of service. To do this, navigate to the Shopify dashboard and select settings from the bottom menu. Then proceed to policies. Within this section, you'll find a text box where you can click on create from template to generate a general return policy. Review it for accuracy and eliminate any policies not applicable to your store. Replace the placeholders and follow the identical steps to generate a refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service. For the shipping policy, detail your shipping terms manually, save your changes and exit the settings. To include the refund policy in the footer menu, start by navigating to the online store section, then click on the footer menu option and select add menu item on the right hand side. Opt for policy from the provided links and specifically choose refund policy. Follow this process similarly for creating menus for privacy policy, terms of service and shipping policy. Once all are added, ensure to click save menu. Return to the product page, scroll down and you'll find all the policies neatly listed in the footer menu. Once you've configured your product page, the subsequent task is to establish your store's home page. Navigate to the top menu and select home page. Retain the image with text section from the left menu and remove any other elements. Next, select the image area and upload a cover image. To modify the title, click on it and insert your store's name followed by smart pencils. Adjust the font size from the menu on the right. You'll find a shop now button. Simply click on it and replace the text with buy now to streamline the process of product purchases. Consider integrating a dedicated product section onto your home page. Begin by navigating to the add section option on the left hand side. Select featured products from the options on the right. Choose the desired product and then save your changes. This enhancement will enable site visitors to conveniently place orders directly from the home page. Update the navigation menu by following these steps. Currently, the menu includes options for home, catalog and contact. Navigate to your dashboard and select navigation from the left hand menu. Then choose main menu and remove the catalog option as it's unnecessary. Next, click on add menu items. Select products under the link category and remember to save your changes after adding your product menu. Drag it above the home menu, ensuring it stays below it, and remember to click save menu to confirm the changes. Verify the navigation menu to see the updates. Click on contact and note there is currently no text explaining the available customer assistance options. To insert text, navigate to the dashboard and select pages within the online store section. Locate and click on the contact page within the content box and craft a brief message detailing how customers can contact you with any inquiries. Then remember to save your changes. Following this, I will incorporate a favicon for the store. To do this, move to Canva, make slight adjustments to the previously edited logo and download it. Ensure to choose the transparent background option when saving to remove the white background. This is the process for creating the favicon. Next, navigate back to the home page, access theme settings and select the favicon option. Upload the logo with a transparent background and boom, your favicon now displays your logo. However, if you observe that your URL lacks a custom domain, proceed to settings and click on the domain section to rectify this. If you possess a domain, select connect existing domain. If not, opt for buy new domain or simply proceed with the Shopify domain name. Enter your store's name and select the final step, which involves configuring your store settings. Navigate to settings and select payments to choose payment providers and establish shipping rates. Currently, PayPal is the default option, but if it's unavailable in your country, click choose a provider to set up an alternative like Stripe. Navigate to the ship and delivery option located on the left hand side to establish rates for various zones. Select manage, delete any default shipping rates and proceed to create a shipping zone. Opt for the United States and confirm your selection by clicking done. Next, click on add rate, name it as free delivery and input 0 as the cost. Complete the process by clicking done and your shipping rates for the US will be configured accordingly. To establish shipping zones for additional countries, follow these steps. Click on create shipping zone once more. Enter international as the zone name. Select rest of the world. Click done, then click add rate. Input $2 as the shipping price. Click done and finally click save to confirm and apply the changes. Navigate to the left hand menu and select store details. Enter the name of your store. Next, go to preferences from the left hand menu and input your store name along with a brief description for your homepage title. Scroll down to the password protection section if you've chosen a paid plan. Deselect the option to enable visitors to access your store. Lastly, hit save. Your Shopify is now live, allowing visitors to explore your offerings. Upon receiving your initial order, navigate to the dashboard and proceed to fulfill the order by making the payment. The item will then be shipped directly to the customer. Now, there you have it. This is the complete process of researching a product and establishing your own Shopify store. Go give it a try and I wish you all the best. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.